Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time in your BMW X3. First, you'll want to access your iDrive system. From the main menu, navigate to the Settings option. Once inside, look for Date and Time to begin the adjustment process. This initial step is crucial for ensuring accuracy. After selecting Date and Time, you'll likely see an option for manual adjustment. Choose this to take control. Use your iDrive controller to precisely set the hours and minutes. Once satisfied, confirm your selections to save the new time. This method gives you full control over the display.
If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Alternatively, you can select the automatic option. This allows your BMW X3 to synchronize its time using GPS satellite data. It's a convenient feature that often updates automatically for daylight-saving time changes. This ensures your clock is always accurate without manual intervention. Don't forget to check your time zone settings. You can adjust this to match your current location. Also, decide if you prefer a 12-hour or 24-hour time format. Finally, quickly verify that the date is also correctly displayed. These small adjustments complete the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.